To have stronger and pretty hair is necessary to take good care of it. Do you take time out of your day or week to take care of your hair? Today you will learn an amazing and natural recipe for revitalizing your hair at home. Do you want to know how? You will need clay oil and coconut oil. You tried? You can use this mixture to take care of your hair without spending too much, since regular use will bring good results. Clay is a natural ingredient that has become famous as a cosmetic treatment for hair and skin in most spas. We even have a video on the different types of clay and how to use each one to treat your skin and hair. The clay helps restore keratin lost to environmental damage, and also removes excess fat and dead skin cells, cleanses the hair follicles and seals the hair, while hydrating the hair. Without forgetting that clay also strengthens the scalp. Coconut oil also strengthens the hair and helps with many other hair problems, like dandruff and psoriasis. In addition, coconut oil also stimulates hair growth, repairs split ends, moisturizes and repairs some of the damage caused by sun exposure, restoring shine and the life of your hair. Watch the video to learn how to make the recipe. If you are looking for a natural solution to repair your damaged hair, you will surely love this recipe. Try it and share your experience with us. Just because your hair is damaged, it doesn't mean that you can't bleach it again after a certain period of time. Only this time, you should ask your hairstylist to apply a protective product while bleaching your hair. One very popular procedure involves applying the protective product during chemical treatment, such as bleaching. First, a heat protection solution is mixed into the bleach, then a different solution is applied after rinsing and conditioning the hair.